Welcome to the future of programming with AI-guided Python programming, code mastery with ChatGPT guidance. Whether you're taking your first steps into coding or you're looking to elevate your skills, this course is your gateway to a revolutionary learning experience. Picture this: crafting and refining your Python code with the expert assistance of ChatGPT, ensuring not just learning, but also true understanding of Python fundamentals. Dive into the world of Python programming and experience the incredible power of ChatGPT as your guide. I'm Professor Higazi, and I have over a decade of experience in computer science and programming. I also teach students across various platforms and face-to-face in universities on innovative methods when it comes to programming and specifically leveraging AI. The beauty of this course is that it is beginner-friendly, but at the same time, it does go beyond the basics, teaching you how to leverage AI to construct code efficiently. But that's not all. Learn how to use AI for self-directed learning. Unlock the ability to explore Python programming on your terms with ChatGPT as your personal coding companion. Let's code with innovation. Let's code with AI. Your journey begins here.